What are you doing there? You gonna ride your bike?
Yeah.
Here. So we got a part here that you got for Christmas. Does it go on your bike?
Yeah.
Hop off there. Where's it go?
What?
It does? Man, what a smart boy. Well, if you look under here, well, this bike doesn't have one. Does it go? Oh, I know what it goes on. Go check it out. Go check it out. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool. You said you wanted a red one, huh? Let's fire it up. No, we can practice on the other one, but we got you a new one, huh? Yeah. Is that your favorite?
Yeah. I like you guys.
I know. Like father, like son. Merry Christmas.